Still unsure which lithium tools to buy for maintenance? Our lightweight BESITA Lithium Combo Kit, E8019, lets you get all essential tools at once. 16.8 volts, high-torque brushless drill, E104. Stepless speed, multiple modes, 20 precision gears. Easy for steel drilling and screw fastening. Ergonomic and lightweight body, no hand fatigue for long time use. 16.8 volts, brushless impact driver E202A. Ultra short, head 200 Nm high torque. Stepless speed, low vibration, and high efficiency. Equipped with ring LED light and ergonomic body, this tool blends practicality with stylish design. It adopts domestic brand battery cells and an intelligent controller with 13 safety protections against overcharging, overheating, short circuit, and other risks for safe, worry-free use. Cordless ratchet wrench E502 features rugged alloy build, 13 safety protections, strong power and long run time for precise work in tight spaces. Stepless speed and forward, reverse control. Ergonomic anti-slip handle, plus lightweight battery pack, for all-day, comfortable use. 9-piece magnetic socket set, hex 2 square drive adapter, 1/4 self-locking flexible extension shaft, common PH2 screwdriver bits, meets various working demands. Ideal for undercarriage, interior work, routine maintenance, home installation and equipment repair. This versatile cost-effective toolset is perfect for repair shops and DIY enthusiasts.